Why are you wearing that hat to our nice dinner?
I love this hat. I don't want to take it off.
Why can't you just take it off for one night? Are you afraid you have lice?
Lice? Where? Did you see one come off of me?
Oh my gosh, it is lice, isn't it? I can't take you anywhere. I'll just have dinner by myself.
But I'm hungry too.
I'll bring something back to our car for you later tonight.
All right, I'm sorry I didn't tell you about the lice.
What do you want me to order for you?
I want pizza. You know what I like. The kind with cheese in the crust.
Stuffed crust.
Yeah, I love that stuff.
I don't know if they'll have that here, but I'll check.
Okay, thank you.